Hi friends, welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about integration procedure. In integration procedure, as I said in the previous video, there are a lot of actions. In this video, I am explaining about response action, and also I will explain how to call the integration procedure to the Omni script. Let's see in the org. If you observe my previous video, you can see I have created one integration procedure, and also by this we can create one account and opportunity which is linked together. Let's reuse this integration procedure, uh, and also we we need, if we want to edit any of the active integration procedure, that cannot be possible because we need to deactivate the version, so that we can edit the particular integration procedure. Here, if you observe in the left side, you can see the groups and account tabs are there. uh, Groups and action tabs are there. In the action we can find a response action. In the response action, here it is there. We need to drag and we need to drop at the end of the integration procedure. After all elements, it will consolidate the response and it will show to the user. Here, and here there is a option. Let me rename this something. Okay. Here we have an option like return full JSON data. That means it will, if we check this checkbox, all the output of the all the elements will be returned to the response. We'll see how it will work. Let's execute this one. See, everything is coming here. If you observe previously, it won't come here because this is a response window where we can see only response coming from the response action. uh, Here is, this is equal to the this one, because we have selected all, return all response. That is the reason it will come, every element response will be displayed here. Suppose now I want to display only some values, like I am using to this integration procedure to create account and opportunity. I want to display only account ID and opportunity ID. For that, I need to modify in the response. Let's see how we need to modify. Let's concentrate on this response, and I will be placing this in the JSON editor, so it will be easy for us to differentiate or to get the data. Now if you now let's concentrate in the JSON structure. I want to access, this is a account, this is a opportunity created, and this is the account created. Okay, and this is a data raptor where this is a load data raptor. This is a load data raptor. It is creating account and opportunity. Let me show you. Here I have used, see, the post data raptor, create account opti. I am passing everything. If you want to see this all, you can see my previous video for integration procedure. Here I am passing everything, so the account and opportunity is creating. For this, uh, now I need to access this account opportunity ID and account ID. Let's see how we can access this data. First we need to come node wise, like before this is a first node, so we need to copy. Let's have a notepad. Now again we need to take this one, open opportunity. Now again colon, and we need to, if you want to print anything you can print, but I'm for, as I said, I will be taking ID, so here ID will be print. And for same as to access the account ID, we need to come like from the top node to next node. What is the next node? Not, this is for opportunity. If we try to close this, we can find this is the next node after this. And in account, this is the ID. This is a way to access the data using JSON structure. We can access things. here in the response, in the integration procedure, if you observe in the response, if you observe, we need to like we need to deactivate this, because I need only, I don't want full JSON data, only I need account ID and contact ID. For this we need to add in additional output response. And if we click on add, one second, if we click on add key pair value, here I need to print account ID and opportunity ID. Now I will place this account ID I will be placing within the percentage, because I need to get the dynamic value. Same for this opportunity as well. To get the dynamic value, it should be in percentage, and now this will be printed. Let's see how it will work now. Before that, make sure that there is no full data JSON, because only I don't want all the data to display, only account ID and contact ID. Let's see here. Yes, now it is executing. Let's see our execution sequence. See, at last response action is executing, and if you observe response action, see account ID and opportunity it is executing. And also in the debug, we can, this is some system related information we can see, but response action will execute and it will display in the response window. This is the way we can filter these things. And the main reason for the response action is to whatever the response coming from the response action, that is carry forward to the OmniScript, or anywhere where you are using the data, that is carry forward to there. Let's suppose if you observe this OmniScript, I have created this OmniScript. If you want to see how I have created, you can see my previous video, OmniScript part 1 video, so that you can see how you can create this, all the steps and this condition, how I have used conditions and all, and whatever I have used, you can see there. Let's have a preview for this. I want to show like before loading this OmniScript. If you observe action debugger, see in action debugger we cannot see anything here. That means at the load of this page nothing is implementing here, and here also nothing is created. Here it is created, but there is no action occurred here. Let's do one thing here. Go to the design part and let's deactivate. As I said, we need to deactivate the version to edit that version. Is it the deactivation is completed, and I want to insert this integration procedure before the loading of the first step. Okay, before the loading of the first step. So I can give any name here, and I need to give a proper name for this. Let me copy this name, account here. It is a account object creation. After that, not required anything, let it be default things. To use this integration procedure in any of the OmniScript, this integration procedure should be active. Make sure that this should be active, otherwise the previous active version will be considered as the active version for the this OmniScript. Let's run this. Here if you observe the action debugger, we can see integration procedure is calling here. See, if you click on the response, let's see what it is returning. See, it is returning account ID and opportunity ID, which we are returning from response action from here. Actually, it is returning from here. See. it is returning from here. If you observe, it is returning from integration procedure. And in the data JSON as well, you can see account ID and opportunity ID. This is how integration procedure will work. If we click on design, we can see this, and also we can also send all the JSON data which is coming from which is coming from the integration procedure. Let's deactivate this and see how try to send all the information to the step. Like after remote action, I'm giving this full data. In here I am deleting this one. Now I am activating this one. Let's see all the now all the data should come, right? Yes, it is activated. Then we can review this. If you observe the action debugger, you will get another action debugger here. Yes, if you observe the response, there is a lot of response we got. See, all the response we got because we have, and see here as well, you can see all the response of the integration procedure. Correct. This is a what we have set in the integration procedure level. So it is it sent all the response. See, record type ID, and also I will show your data wrapper extract. Here it will come. See, opportunity, see record type ID, and everything is getting that. This is the how we will get all the response when we turn on this return full data JSON. And also based on this input, we can also print something here, like some ID. We can also print ID here, like the way I have printed here. Let me show you. If you observe my step 3 account contact creation, here you can see I have created using step. Like this we can create by using by using JSON. We can create like this before in the step 1. Okay, and this is the use of action response action and calling the integration procedure to the Omni script. And I'm in future I'm also going to explain all the concepts in the Velocity. For that, please subscribe my videos. Thank you.